Is number one, the start of the winner take all, and the rough early lead is taken by impulsive decision from the outside, and Exquisite now moving up on the farther outside to grab the lead. It is now Exquisite in the lead, followed by Kitana Sure by the rail, and impulsive decision running in third, Magnificent moving up by the rail, heading for the back stretch. It is still Exquisite in the lead by a length and a half, followed by Kitana Sure in second, Impulsive Decision running in third, Magnificent, and Dennis Song by the rail. At the mid-back stretch, it is still Exquisite by 2.5 lengths, followed now by Impulsive Decision, Kitana Sure, and Dennis Song, Kapitan Ako, and moving up by the rail is Magnificent. Nearing the far turn, it is still Exquisite by a length and a half, followed by Impulsive Decision in second, and running in third by 3.5 lengths is entry number 3, Dennis Song, and Kitana Sure moving up on the outside. Rounding the far turn, it is still Exquisite by a length. It's still Exquisite, followed by Impulsive Decision in second, and running in third by 4.5 lengths, Dennis Song, and Kitana Sure, Kapitan Ako, and Magnificent. And the last bend for home, it is still Exquisite in the lead, followed by Impulsive Decision on the outside in second, and Dennis Song by the rail in third, Kitana Sure on the outside in fourth, Kapitan Ako, and Magnificent by the rail. And into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still entry number 1A, Exquisite, leading the field, Kitana Sure on the outside, Dennis Song. And at the payoff line, it's a change for entry number 1A, Exquisite, Kitana Sure, Impulsive Decision, Kapitan Ako, Dennis Song, and Magnificent.